Well, I love Inés. I love you. And I'm so actually blessed to accept the offer. It's actually it was a gift for me. I had the pain on my right side on my leg, and this was the main reason to try it. I was curious actually. Working with breath is the most powerful things we can, but this is the confirmation definitely. In another planet, it's different. Daily try to be okay, practicing meditation, breathing, but it's different, very deep and so powerful. The time I was working with breath was so deep, and then actually it was just to realize how the ocean we are inside and feel the numbness in general of my full body. Yes, it's amazing. It's been in another side. It's just different. The oxygen is for everywhere. We have to do it. This is very often, you know. Oh wow! Actually, it's obligation for me. I can say perfectly, it's an obligation. Unconsciously doing during the day things, and then yes, we forget very easily. Consciously be aware to breathe very well. 99% of our life in general for people, stress for everywhere. But if we're aware with that, our world change. With this old sensation, with this fully oxygen in ourself, in our body, we're able to connect with another dimension even, and it's amazing. It's just short time, but this to experiment this marvelous world. Awesome. We can even speak and we can ask anything we like. We have the answers. Amazing. Don't be afraid, because as a human being, always we're afraid for anything, especially when we don't know, and then it's like, oh no, we leave it. But yes, we have to be a little while, and then it's like, well, no, I have to try it. Why not? And then actually, it's very easy. It's to learn breathing very well. Easy. And then after that, we can get surprises, beautiful surprises.
Thank you.